Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings so you can act immediately. This saves time and prevents accidental changes. Once settings is open, use the search field to find the app by name. Make sure you spell it exactly. You should check for active sign-ins or background permissions before proceeding because disabling can stop sync or notifications. If the device is managed, verify you have admin rights. Now tap Apps or Applications to list installed items and prepare to select the target app. Once you open the app page, inspect permissions and storage so you understand consequences. This is why you backed up earlier. If available, first tap Uninstall Updates to revert to the factory APK, then choose Disable or Turn Off to prevent execution. Make sure to read any warnings. Disabling may affect dependent system functions or widgets. If prompts ask to force stop or clear data, opt to force stop only if the app is misbehaving. Clearing data removes local settings, which you might want to avoid. You finish by confirming the disable command. Do not skip reading the final warning because it explains system impacts. Once disabled, reboot the device to ensure background services stop and widgets refresh. After restart, verify functionality of related apps or features. If something breaks, immediately re-enable the app and test again. As a troubleshooting tip, if re-enabling does not resolve issues, clear cache or restore from your backup. If the device is managed, contact the administrator before making further changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.